Hello and welcome to this ETZ video for incoming timesheet images validation. Within this video I'll be showing the process of validating timesheets that have been approved via faxback or uploaded to the system. Once the manager has approved the timesheet or timesheets via the faxback method, then they will appear in the timesheets menu and the incoming timesheet images section. You will see the timesheets that are awaiting validation. If you mouse over the paper icon to the left of the reference, then the system will display as a pop-up the faxed back timesheet, and you'll be able to see the manager's signature and date. Alternatively, if you click the reference, then not only will the timesheet detail be displayed to you, but also within a separate window you will have the timesheet image that has been signed and dated by the manager. It is at this point where you are able to make changes to the timesheet detail if it is incorrect, such as the pay and charge on the timesheet or the tax. You are also able to add and remove rates if required, and so on. If you do change, for example, the pay and bill details, then you have a recalculate button to ensure that the details are correct after the change, located here. This validation process will also display warnings if there is some data required. For example, on the assignment for this timesheet I have added a PO number. However, if I remove the PO number from this timesheet and I try to validate, you will see a yellow warning box across the top. This warning is letting me know that the PO, or lack of PO in this case, does not match the PO number attached to the assignment. I can override this warning if I want to by clicking on the override button located next to validate. This will override the warning and allow me to validate the timesheet. Alternatively, I could apply the PO number and I would be able to validate as required if the PO matches the one applied to the assignment. You also have a reject button. This can be used if the information on the timesheet is incorrect and you need to send it back to the candidate. This will go back to the candidate's draft section where they can make changes and resubmit to the manager. You must always supply a reject reason, and this would be entered in the reject note field. If I try to reject without this note, then the system will show a red error at the top stating that a reject note must be entered. I'll demonstrate this now. When this process is done, the timesheet will go back to the candidate. Once the timesheets have been validated, they are then ready to be invoiced within the system. Thank you for watching this ETZ video. For additional help on the system, please contact support. For further information, please see our knowledge base.